By the end of this video, you will know how to set up products and services in QuickBooks Online. Start from the left navigation menu in QuickBooks Online, click Sales, then select Products and Services. This opens the list where your existing items are stored, and it is also where you add new ones for the things you sell or the services you provide. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the list appears before moving forward. Once you are on the Products and Services page, click New. QuickBooks will show you options for the type of item you want to create. Choose the product or service type that matches what you are setting up. This selection matters because it affects which fields appear on the form and how the item can be used later in your sales records. After choosing the type, move to the Name field and enter the name of the product or service. Use the wording you want to see when this item appears on forms and in your records. Keep the name clear enough to identify the item without confusion, especially if you have several similar entries in your list. Next, fill in the required details on the setup form. Enter the sales price or rate for the item so QuickBooks knows the amount to use on sales transactions. Then select the income account that should track the money earned from this product or service. Make sure you choose the correct account before continuing, since this affects how the income is recorded in your books. You will also need to set the sales tax option that applies to the item. Review that field carefully so the item is handled correctly when it is added to customer transactions. If purchasing information applies to this item, add it in the purchasing section. This area is used when the product or service also has vendor-related details that need to be tracked. Enter the purchasing information that is relevant for your setup and leave that section alone if it does not apply to the item you are creating. Before saving, take a brief look over the form. Confirm that the name is correct, the sales price or rate is entered as intended, the income account matches the item, and the sales tax setting reflects how you want this item treated. If you included purchasing information, check that as well so the entry is complete. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will save the item and return you to the Products and Services list, where the new entry should now appear with your other items. Your product or service is now set up in QuickBooks Online and saved to your Products and Services list.